Hi, in this video I'll be giving an introduction on the network monitoring software called PRTG. PRTG Network Monitoring Software is a product of Paessler. Paessler provides many services including bandwidth monitoring, cloud monitoring, database monitoring, port monitoring, server monitoring, SNMP monitoring, etc. There are a couple of free softwares that are available for download as well. So this is the website, paessler.com is the website, and if you go to PRTG, you can see this page. If you scroll down, you can see the different features that are available on PRTG which we can implement in your network. It has a quick video tutorial on how to implement PRTG on your network and use various sensors to monitor your network. At the end, you will be receiving a graphical report like that on what is the utilization, what all are the sensors you have used, and what has been captured, and all those parameters are listed over here. There is a free trial version for 30 days wherein you can use all the full features of the software for 30 days, after which you have to purchase the software for further use. If you want to download, you can click on free downloads and you have to fill in the details over here. Once you have filled the form, click on download now. Here you can see the license key. You have to save it somewhere safe for further use. Later, while installing, you will be needing this key for that 30 days trial. So it has started downloading. The size of the file is 295 MB. So the download has been completed. Now let's install that. It is a pretty simple installation. Here I have to provide the email address which I have registered for getting the license key. So it's unpacking the files for installation. It might take a while. It's finalizing the installation. Now it will prompt for the license key which we have got after registering. As you can see, it got installed and it is starting the backend services. Now as you can see the login screen. This is the loopback IP address, so this is the server and this is the login credential. I'll just copy paste so that I don't have to type it again and again, and click login. This is an help assistant, and this is how you install PRTG on your system. The installation is a simple process. I will show you how to configure PRTG in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you for viewing.